get rid of all of this. All right, so here's our first job. Just a small little load here. So yeah, let's get that into the truck. Job done, off to the next one. All right, this was job number 2, a marble table with 6 chairs. This is definitely not going to the landfill. I'm gonna try and see if this will work out in my suite here. That was job number 2. Let's go to job number 3 for the day. We're gonna need to unload this. I usually don't go to the landfill when it's like this amount, but we need the truck empty, so we gotta get rid of all this. Alright, so this is the second job, just a bunch of metal. I'll have to ask her for taking this garbage here, but I'm pretty sure we're just here for the metal.
This is a repeat client who has used our services for many of their projects. They typically handle office demos and renovations, calling us once everything has been removed. It's more convenient for them to rely on us rather than a bin rental company, as we handle all the sorting and can usually arrive within a day's notice.
Just like that, job number 3 is all done. No metal, no garbage. Everything is nicely packed in there. I don't think I'll have another job today. It's already 2:30. So, yeah, let's see what we will do tomorrow. Just gotta unload the garbage and then off to the metal yard. This is what happens when your teen daughter goes a little crazy. Look at this. Jeez. This room and this room is what we're dealing with. That's crazy, but yeah, we just gotta clean everything out and get to work.
The client, the mom, felt a lot of anxiety just being there and didn't want to stay. She showed us the situation and then left the rest for us to clean up.
Just to give you an idea, it's, if you know, like, it smells like pet cat piss in here, so it's very unpleasant. If you know, you know. First room is all done. The client does have a cleaning coming, and I'm gonna clean all this goodness up. Off to the next room. This one. Alright, second room finally all done, all swept up, like just the other room. Everything will be cleaned by the cleaners here, that's not our job. Looking not too shabby, let's not show that. We're just cleaning up the last little bit here and this closet, and that's it for this job. Not too shabby. Alright, we're all done here. What are the crazy before and afters? Nothing is in this room. And nothing in this room. Just a bunch of fixing. Client doesn't want to keep the ACs. Oh, I guess we gotta take those down. Yeah. Nice, not too bad.
At the end, the client was very happy with how we handled the job. She could finally focus on getting the apartment fixed up.
And that's what the truck's looking like. We're just here to drop off some metal, and what is going on here? Why is this guy running? What the hell? Just kidding, it's just wind. Nie ma tak. Prasa jak robię сейчас. All right, it's Wednesday. This is our first job for today. Client just wants to get rid of all these canned and pickled foods. So, gotta get rid of all of this, and then all of this old beer and wine. Now that all the cans are out on this shelf and this shelf, oh, just kidding, just gotta grab that still. And that, and then we just gotta deal with all of this, and then job done. All right, we are all done. You don't see that too often these days. So many cans. Nothing in here or here. And that's what the truck bed is looking like. We are at location for job number 2. Just a bunch of wood, leaves.
Not every job smells like pickles. Sometimes it's just pine needles.
There you go, job done. Stopped for 10 minutes, got the truck loaded, and yeah, that's how we finish off the day for Wednesday. We'll drop this off and then Start the day off fresh tomorrow. I forgot to record, but this is Thursday morning. We already got our first load in. Some wood and garbage. We're gonna have to come back to the same job and grab some metal and drywall as well. So hopefully I won't forget to record that. Here's what's left of the current job. It's basically just metal and a little bit of drywall. But yeah, they're just tenant moved out. They're gutting the place. And we're just taking all the junk. So all this metal is what's left. That was quite the week. We had some very different jobs this week. We had some metal, some renovation cleanup, a hoarder teen girl problem, and jars. That was pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you watching all the way to the end. See you next time.